Hi everyone, it's Simon Ammons here with episode 8 of Q&A with QuneUp. Today's question is, what do I need to know before I even start this SOP? Answer, prerequisites. It's a fancy word, but it simply means to take it back one time, y'all. Two hops, two hops. Okay, I'm just kidding. But before we can start this SOP, we do need to take it back a step to let readers know that there's something that has to happen before you can execute this SOP. That could be anything from one, a certain training course that must be completed before you start this SOP, two, a relevant SOP that must be read and understood first, or three, having to obtain access to a certain piece of software before executing this SOP. This is important because you don't want your reader to get halfway through your SOP only to realize you're missing critical steps to actually be able to complete this entire SOP. So before you start anything else in the SOP, be sure to establish what other things, what other steps, what other procedures, what other access levels the reader needs to obtain before they can get into the meat of the SOP. And then your readers will definitely be hopping to it. Believe me. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.